Chain Drug Review, and Mass Market Retailers Video Forum. Brought to you by the Emerson Group.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jeffrey Wolt, Editor-in-Chief of Chain Drug Review and Mass Market Retailers. Welcome to our video forum. Today, we're thrilled to have as our guest Mike Wier, Vice President of Store Brands at CVS Health. Mike, great to have you here.
Thanks, Jeff. It's a pleasure to be here.
We want to talk about your new Well Market line, a private label line of consumables. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about how that is differentiated from what preceded it.
It's really about repositioning our consumables portfolio to better meet our customers' wants and needs by providing craveable snacks, groceries, beverages with packaging that highlights the nutritional benefits of the offering so that our customers can feel really good about the choices they make. We're going to have about 250 products by the end of the year, and you'll see them starting to continue to roll out. It's going to cater to a lot of different dietary preferences like vegan, gluten-free, allergy, keto. So beyond meeting the needs of those specific extensions of food, it really is designed for a quick bite or a more indulgent treat as well. So we think that Well Market will have you covered from a high quality and diverse portfolio of options. And so what that means is that Gold Emblem and Gold Emblem Abound that have been a great part of our portfolio will be transitioning into the Well Market product line that we already launched in May with 40 amazing high quality product lines. So you'll start to see more of our Gold Emblem and Gold Emblem Abound products that we think that meet the quality bar to go into this new brand. We'll start to transition. You'll see that in a lot of our nut products. But the benefit here is that it's going to be much easier for them to identify the nutritional benefits for them on the new packaging. So beyond the classic offerings, you'll see more nutritional benefits highlighted in the way to help customers make really good choices. And then, of course, we're going to have some innovative new flavors to our nut snack offering as well.
What motivated you and your colleagues to undertake this update of the private label line?
It started with an opportunity with our customers. So we engaged a community of existing Extra Care customers, which is our leading loyalty program, to understand what their wants and needs were, really ideating on what they're looking for in a new and refreshed food brand. To come up with the Well Market and the look and feel. And we really iterated the design with them quite frequently to get feedback and land where we are. So what that means is we decided to launch the Well Market line to offer products that really align with our customers' wellness goals, but also their dietary preferences. We know that there's some indulgence in there, but we also highlight what they're looking for from a wellness perspective. And the first thing that comes out is they're looking for really good tasting experiences combined with convenient and easy to understand nutritional benefits that meets their evolving needs where they are. So the Well Market lineup, as a result, has gone through a lot of rigorous blind tasting and getting a lot of feedback on what we need from a high quality perspective that meets and ideally, and often I'd say exceeds customer expectations.
Mike, how do the elements in the line align with CVS Health's overall mission?
As you know, CVS's health strategy is to build a world of health around every consumer. And we live and breathe that and try to embrace that in our front store strategy and our total retail strategy. And Well Market is a vital part of how that will evolve. We know that eating goes beyond merely satisfying hunger. It's about nourishing the body and meeting customers on their individual wellness goals. So my commitment and our commitment and CVS's commitment to this product line is to build a diverse and inclusive product offering that reflects dedication to whole body wellness, consumer health, strive to proactively anticipate consumer needs and preferences by developing products that cater to current trends. I mentioned the plant-based alternatives, innovative flavors, addressing rising concerns about food allergies and the demand for alternative protein sources. all the while providing products that customers want and love and want to taste great, as I mentioned. But providing healthier alternatives in addition to the standard offerings is really what's going to unlock the potential and ensure that customers have access to the options that promote well-being without sacrificing flavor, and have the occasional indulgence when they need to.
You touched on this earlier, but the packaging, I think, is striking, and maybe you could just tell us a little bit about how it's different and how it communicates important information to the customer.
Those observing the brands that we have today at shelf, it can be hard to help them navigate and understand not just the nutritional elements, but even what's in the package sometimes. So this packaging is designed with convenience and clarity and simplification in mind, helping consumers easily identify what they're looking for at shelf, then find products that align with their health needs and their taste preferences. So the packaging really highlights nutritional information and dietary guidelines, makes it simpler for shoppers to find what they're looking for and meet their specific goals in an accessible and delicious way. I think that clear labeling that consumers can quickly identify products helps match what we are as a convenient destination, especially for snacking. And we've simplified that labeling that clearly states the benefits. So, example would be a good source of fiber to support gut health. For Well Market, I should note, we're transitioning our core nut program from non-recyclable compostable containers to recyclable PET jars. That presents a nice step towards our 2030 commitment in improving recyclability and our broader mission to reduce plastic usage.
As you noted, many of the products have been out since May. How has the customer response been so far?
Very, very positive. We just recently surpassed a small but pretty large milestone where we have over 1 million customers who've tried the brand. So we're seeing really promising results in early days. I expect that number to be much, much bigger by the end of the year. And we're actually seeing a really positive repeat rate. So all good, positive feedback. Customers have shared that they appreciate the breadth of options offered, and whether they're looking for a quick snack or something more indulgent, they're finding options for them. Specifically, we've seen some great response to our gluten-free snacks and our popcorns. And I'm really excited actually about a couple items that are launching right now. There's one that's really a spicy flavored nut that I think could be really popular by the end of the year.
If you have these innovative flavors, how do you get people to understand what they are and try them?
And we have a strong promo marketing program that we're activating against. We will be deploying personalized offers in their Extra Care and an Extra Care app, along with a great promotional activity throughout the year. And in some places, we'll even be doing like on-the-ground sampling for these products to drive some trial.
I know the line is being rolled out in phases. Maybe you can just talk about where you are in that process and when the whole thing will be available across the chain.
So we launched the first 40 items in May, and you could find them on our shelves, but they're a little hidden and not quite as organized as well. We think that you'll start to see a really strong presence in the fall. Probably right about now in most of your stores, you'll start to see a significant Well Market brand block in the nuts category, and we'll be expanding out from there. So I think customers will be really noticing this brand and the prominence of it come October. As I mentioned, they've already started to uptick on it with the 1 million customers thus far.
What lessons have you learned with Well Market that may be applicable to other areas of CVS private label program?
I've been in this role for about 1.5 years, and I think this development process that we created has helped unlock valuable lessons about how we need to think about the broader private label business. We've seen that simplification of the product experience and focusing on the core messages really help consumers make choices that align to their personal well-being journey. So I'm going to be taking that process that we've created around product development, branding, and simplification, and start thinking about that for our other brands, particularly the CVS brand. And I think the other part would be, I'm thinking about the importance of sustainable packaging and how do we evolve that. from a paperboard and plastic-free options, as well as thinking about the transparency of the product lines that we have and the origins of the manufacturing and the ingredients that continues to resonate with our customers, and how I can think about that for our other lines.
Well, we will watch with interest as you take those plans forward. Appreciate you taking the time to share with us today, Mike.
Yeah, Jeff, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.